Hey everyone, and welcome. I am absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're looking at something that could entirely shift your financial perspective. In this explainer, we're uncovering the hidden, unvarnished truth about how to actually win in the crypto market. The crypto space is just filled with noise, hype, and a lot of very loud voices telling you exactly what you should do with your money. But when we strip all of that away and look at the raw data and the actual behaviors of successful players, well, a very specific blueprint emerges. And that blueprint is exactly what we're going to break down today. So let's get right into it. 90%. I want you to really take a second and let that sink in. In the world of crypto, an absolutely staggering 90% of people lose their money. They don't just, fail to make millions, they actively lose what they started with. It is a brutal, unforgiving statistic. When you hear about those massive success stories, remember that they're the quiet minority. The vast, overwhelming majority are on the wrong side of this percentage, which, of course, immediately forces us to ask the most important question: why? What is the trap that catches almost everyone? Okay, let's dive into this. The reason 90% fail isn't because crypto itself is just some giant scam or because they bought the wrong hardware wallet. Nope. It's because of one specific, incredibly alluring choice they make. They choose trading. They step into the market and immediately try to outsmart it on a minute-by-minute, hour-by-hour basis. They choose the path of active, constant buying and selling. And as our source material clearly points out, this single choice is the primary catalyst for that massive 90% failure rate. That brings us to Section 1, the illusion of trading, fast money versus reality. So why is trading so tempting for beginners? It's all about the allure. Fast money, quick profits, the absolute rush and excitement of watching a chart spike upward. Seriously, it feels like you're in the driver's seat of a rocket ship. You buy a coin at 9 a.m., it pumps by noon, you sell it, and boom, you've made a quick buck. It is entirely thrilling. The dopamine hit is real, the adrenaline is pumping, and your brain is telling you that you've just found the infinite money glitch. This is exactly what draws people in like moths to a flame. But then reality hits, and man, it hits hard. Instead of quick, easy profits, the market turns, and most beginners get completely wrecked. That's crypto slang for severe financial loss, and it's a total wipeout. Maybe it's because of a highly leveraged trade, a panic sell, or trying to catch a falling knife. But the excitement vanishes instantly, and you're left as just another statistic inside that 90% we talked about earlier. All right, let's pivot to Section 2, the power of boring, just hold. In a space as volatile and chaotic as crypto, people think you need to be glued to your screens 24/7. But the truth is, real investing is boring. It completely lacks the flashing lights and the constant action of day trading. But, and this is a big but, within that sheer boredom lies incredible, undeniable power. When you aren't forced to react to every single microscopic dip in the market, you actually give your assets the time and space they need to grow. So the crucial point is how incredibly simple this alternative actually is. It's literally just a two-step process. Step 1, you buy established foundational coins. The source specifically highlights Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2, you just hold. That's it. You don't try to time the market tops. You don't try to short the bottoms. You buy and you hold on to it. I know, it almost sounds too simple to be true, right? But this is the exact mechanism that separates the winners from the losers. Let's just look at the reality of holding for a second. Notice the contrast here. With trading, you have high stress and constant anxiety, but with holding, no stress, no overthinking. You are completely insulated from the day-to-day noise. If the market drops 10% on a Tuesday, you don't panic because you aren't looking to sell on Tuesday. You have absolute peace of mind. You're playing a completely different game than the frantic trader trying to scalp a quick profit. Which leads us perfectly into Section 3, the balanced crypto blueprint, doing both. And this brilliantly illustrates the two distinct philosophies we're dealing with. On one side, trading equals fast risk. It's high stakes, high reward, but incredibly dangerous. On the other side, investing equals long-term wealth. It's slow, it's kind of boring, but it's highly effective over time. Now, most people think they have to pick a side, right? They think they're either a day trader or a passive holder. But here is the ultimate secret from our source material. Smart people don't choose one, they do both. That is the paradigm shift. The true path to success in this space isn't an either-or choice. It's a highly strategic combination of both mindsets. But how do you combine them without falling right back into the 90% trap? Well, it all comes down to the exact ratio of how you allocate your capital. Let's move to and see how this builds. Right here is the golden ratio, an 80-20 split. Look at that massive 80% foundation. That's your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, the buy and hold, the no stress, no overthinking portion of your wealth. It acts as an unbreakable fortress. Then, and only then, do you take the remaining 20% and allocate it to trading. This 20% is where you take your fast risks, chase the quick profits, and have your fun. Because if you lose that 20%, if that portion gets wrecked, you are still entirely protected by your 80% foundation. And that, plain and simple, is how you actually win in crypto. You don't ignore the excitement, but you don't let it ruin you either. You build a massive, boring foundation of long-term wealth, and you strictly limit your high-risk exposure. This hybrid blueprint is the actual reality of crypto success. It's not about being a perfect trader, it's about being a disciplined allocator. Follow for more real crypto truth. So, I want to leave you with this final, critical thought to chew on as we wrap up this explainer. Take a hard look at your own strategy right now. Be completely honest with yourself. Are you currently caught in the trap of chasing fast risk, hoping to be the lucky one out of 10? Or are you ready to implement the balanced blueprint and actually build long-term wealth? The choice is entirely yours. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I highly encourage you to dig deeper into these strategies. See you next time.